Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you use Google Photos on your iPhone? And yes, you can use Google Photos, it works with the iPhone. You need to go to the App Store, write Photos in the search line, the search icon located at the right bottom, so you may need to tap at this line and then write Photos, or if you have iOS 6 you will have search line at the bottom. Then install, click install. After that, open the application. You need to sign in into your account and make sure that you use your correct account. Also, I recommend it to enable backup here, but if you disable it, I will show you later how to turn on it. So continue. I don't need to receive notifications, so I click do not allow. If you need it, click allow. It's up to you. Then continue, and you need to allow access to your photos. So I'm going to allow full access. You can select limited access or do not allow it, but you don't need to use the application if you do not allow it. So, okay, let's do this. And now, if you disable backup, you can enable it by tap at your profile icon at the right top, then or click turn on backup and confirm, or go to the Google Photos settings, click backup and enable backup here. And also right here you can swap between backup quality. So by default it uses original quality. You can set it to storage saver to save some space, especially that this application share 15 gigabytes what Google offer for you for free with Google Drive and Gmail. But you can also set to original quality, it's up to you. And that's it. Now you have access to all your photos here, to collections, also to locked folder or archive folders. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.